Click subscribe and bell icon to get regular notifications.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. G. Ramesh, Consultant Interventional Cardiologist at Yashoda Hospital, Secunderabad. Today we will be discussing about COVID vaccination in cardiac patients. Definitely, cardiac patients are at a little higher risk once they develop COVID. So obviously they need to prevent this by taking vaccination. So there is no doubt about it that any cardiac patient needs to take a COVID vaccination. Basically three types of blood thinners. One is ecosprin, clopidogrel, ticagrelor are these sort of blood thinners which are taken by patients post-stenting or post-surgery. The other type of blood thinners are azithromycin and these sort of blood thinners which are generally given in patients post-bypass surgery for mitral valve replacements or aortic valve replacements. The third is newer anticoagulation. General rule is you don't need to stop any blood thinner before taking a COVID vaccination. Generally, if you are taking an azithromycin, ideally we need to check an INR or PT-INR before vaccination. And if the INR is less than 3, you can safely take these blood thinners. There is no doubt. They are very safe. You don't need to stop them. Regarding ecosprin, clopidogrel, these sort of other blood thinners, you don't need to stop them at all. So the only issue with the blood thinner would be a local induration at the site of vaccination. You just need to put your hand and press it at that place for around 3 to 5 minutes. That's enough. So please don't stop blood thinners before taking this vaccination. Rather, we are having some patients who are stopping blood thinners before vaccination and they are coming with heart attacks. So remember, there is no need to stop any blood thinner before COVID vaccination. So generally, there is no need to stop any blood thinners before vaccination. There is no need to wait once the procedure is done. Suppose the patient underwent stenting, after a week or so, patient can safely go ahead and take vaccination. Yeah, diabetic hypertensive patients or patients who have got risk factors for cardiac disease can safely take vaccination. Rather, I would say they should definitely take COVID vaccination. There is no doubt about it. COVID vaccinations are relatively very safe. I don't think any cardiac patients need to worry about taking this vaccination. There has been a incidence of clotting with COVID vaccination, particularly a venous clotting that is called as VIPIT, vaccine-induced prothrombotic immune thrombocytopenia. So this has been reported in with AstraZeneca vaccine or a few other vaccines, mostly in UK and Europe. So the data is very less. Actually, if you say in a 2 crore subset of patients, the number of patients who developed VIPIT is around 20 to 30. So the number of patients who developed is very less. There is no clear indication that it is because of the vaccination. In India, with so many vaccinations being given, I don't see any patients having this sort of a clotting tendency. So till now, the data is not suggesting that there is increased risk of clotting with these vaccinations. First point. Second point, cardiac patients definitely need to take this vaccination. There is no clear evidence that there is any increased risk of clotting, particularly cardiac clotting with these vaccinations. First suggestion is, please don't stop your cardiac medicines. Most of the patients would be on blood thinners. Please don't stop them. Rather, many of these COVID patients have increased risk of clotting tendency because of COVID. So rather, you should continue blood thinners. They might add a newer anticoagulation to it and you can take that safely. My suggestion would be, please consult your cardiologist and pulmonologist. Be in touch with both of them for proper management. The CDC or Center for Disease Control guidelines tell us that once the patient has developed a COVID positivity, they should wait at least for 90 days before going for a COVID vaccination. There are some patients who developed COVID infection post first dose of vaccine, which has nothing to do with the vaccine. Ideally, the guidelines tell us is probably we need to wait for 2-3 months or at least 90 days, then check the antibodies. If required, then go for a vaccination. To summarize, regarding cardiac disease and vaccination, I would say all patients with cardiac disease should go ahead and take this vaccination. Vaccination is pretty safe. There are really no cardiac side effects in these patients. There are only local issues which can easily be treated. Please don't stop your blood thinners. They are very safe. You can happily and safely take these blood thinners before you go for vaccination. Thank you.